In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your regional settings in Docusign. This process is quite straightforward and we're going to walk through it step by step, ensuring you can easily navigate the platform and customize the settings to suit your regional needs. Now, whether you're new to Docusign or you've been using it for a while, these settings are important as they help you streamline your workflow and keep everything organized in the way that's most understandable for you. To start off, the first thing you'll want to do is head to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management capabilities, making it a go-to tool for managing documents electronically. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Input your credentials to access your account. If you don't have a Docusign account already, this might be a good time to create one, but for this walkthrough, I'm assuming you're already set up. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. This is your central hub where you manage your documents and access the various tools Docusign offers. Now let's navigate over to the admin section. You'll find this option in the menu, usually located at the top or side of the page. Clicking admin takes you to the administrative dashboard, which houses a variety of settings and management options. Now that we're in the admin dashboard, our next step is to find regional settings. This is where you can customize the settings to match your location and preferences. Click on regional settings to proceed. Here, you may find options to select your time zone, language preferences, and other settings that are specific to your locale. These settings help ensure that times, dates, and languages are displayed in a manner that you're familiar with, allowing for seamless interaction with the platform. Once you're in the regional settings, you can make your desired changes. It's important to review each option carefully and select the settings that best match your requirements. After making the necessary adjustments, ensure that you save your changes. There's usually a save button at the bottom of these settings pages. Click that to confirm your selections, and there you have it. Setting your regional settings in Docusign is as simple as that. With these configurations in place, your Docusign experience will be more tailored, making the tool more intuitive for your everyday use. Remember, if you ever need to adjust these settings again in the future, simply repeat this process. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't hesitate to tweak the settings as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy Docusigning.